You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, also a surname, so first given name, also last name of Persian origin, also Punjabi. Let's learn how to pronounce it. Iqbal. Bal. The stress is not Iqbal, but it's a bit same stress on both syllables. Iqbal in English. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Iqbal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.